Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Henry Ford employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in henryford.com/connect and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Henry Ford Connect page, from which you can click on the Login to Employee Self-Service option, and now you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the user ID box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Henry Ford employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Contact IT option underneath the sign in button, or you can also use the HAP self-service password reset option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Henry Ford employees account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.